Happy Vlogmas Day 13. It is Friday the 13th. What a day for it to be the 13th on a Friday. Anywho, so y'all know we getting closer and closer to JA. Right now I'm getting ready to go and do my eyebrows and get my underarm waxing. And I'm taking y'all with me. So it's freezing outside. Y'all see me with my Eskimo hat. This is my husband's hat, actually. Oh, let's roll. Got my eyebrows done. And my girl Kay was not there. I'm a very, very funny person when it comes to letting other people do what I have somebody to do already. When I have my person, if you know, you know. If you're a guy, you understand, because y'all don't play about your haircuts. And if you are a woman, you understand. So, yeah, so, but the girl who normally does it, her name is Kay, and she's on vacation. I'm gonna beat her up when I see her. But her sister ended up doing it, and she did a good job, as y'all can see. And so I'm going to do my own lashes because I have the magnetic lashes. And yeah, so preparation is really in full effect. Now trying to figure out my nails and my feet, which I think I'm most likely gonna go on Monday and do my feet because it just makes more sense. Y'all, it's freaking cold out here. Look at me. I'm not playing. And then y'all see me in a few weeks. Fully looking like a dime piece in the sun, okay? I should have called Greg. Let me call Greg. See where he's at. Let's call husband. And you know what she asked me? She was like, are you gonna do your upper lip? Hi, husband. You almost here?
I'm almost there.
Oh, say hi to the vlog, babe. But she did a good job. She did a good job. You know what she asked me, babe? She asked me if I wanted my upper lip done. I said, this hoe trying to say I got a mustache. Want your upper lip done? No. Okay, husband. Love you. Drive safe. It's cold. Okay, y'all. So, real quick, because I'm about to close out this vlog and edit this so I can get it out on time. It is Vlogmas Day 13. So, I got this in the mail yesterday. So, this is a fanny pack. I thought it was cute, the design print on it. I will put the link down. I believe it was about, I got this from Amazon, and I think it was like $7. It feels really, really good. You can, don't mind husband snoring in the back.
Yeah.
I guess you can wear it like this, which is how, obviously, it's very popular. Or you can wear it like a fanny pack. You know, the original way. I got a necklace with, also from Amazon, very, very pretty with Gary. Come on, my guy.
Burn up the guy part. Burn up.
So it's a chain with my initial on it, which I thought was really, really nice. So you see, it's gonna sit like right here. Yeah, thought that was really, really pretty. I also got, this is by Kyrilyn. That's their name, I don't know. Got it from Amazon too. So it's a set of chains. It looks like you kind of wear them like as a set. What they call this one, Greg? Is this called the snake chain or something like that? Yeah. So I thought it was really, really pretty. Y'all, I gotta make sure I get me a light because, and this is really, this one is pretty too.
You hear me?
So I think the way they advertised it, they had all three on, like in an order. You know how they wear that's how they had them on. So I don't know, maybe I'll wear it like that. I'm not sure. But this is pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on right here.
I'll put them on for myself. Because as y'all can hear, somebody wants to be a jerk and he's asking who's gonna put these on for me. Him. Who else? You gonna put them on, right? He don't want to be nice. So yeah, so those were the three things that I got recently that I wanted to share with you, but I'm closing out this video. I did my brows, I did my underarms. They are fully no hair. So we're almost there. We're getting there. We're getting there. I don't know, babe. But stay tuned to tomorrow. Vlogmas day 14 coming through. And yeah.